really disappointing as far as the number of points we gave up tonight. I thought for the start, Nick Smith really came in and did some good things, and so there's some positive things. Brian ran the ball well. They threw the ball surprisingly well against us, and had not shown that ability, so we'll have to take a look to see what we're doing, how we have our guys positioned, or the guy was just hot tonight, and I thought they got the running game going. It was really disappointing on defense, and they're a good football team. So at this time, any questions?
Craig, did their ability to pass it, did that kind of throw? Because it seemed like everything they tried to do was really working.
Right.
Did that throw you guys off, you think?
Well, I believe it did. You know, we went into the game, and while their completion percentage was fairly high, most of the completions were bubbles or short passes, and these balls were thrown on time in the right spot downfield, and we had a difficult time with that, obviously. And you know, we knew they were going to be able to run the ball fairly well, but I think the passing game is things that really broke our back tonight.
Coach, even at Boise State, they had 14 and 15 play drives early, had to churn things out, but it only took 19 plays in those 3 drives, and they only had 1 third down. Did you feel like, were you surprised that you guys didn't maybe force more third downs?
Well, I think a lot of it comes back to their passing game. In the time we did get them in third down, I think they converted there. So, but their running back ran hard. They've got a difficult scheme that puts a lot of pressure on the secondary. And we probably, and not only just throwing, but in stopping the run. So there were some challenges that we had there.
What did you think from Nick? I know you'll look at the film, Craig, but you know, I know you didn't throw a lot, and I'm sure that was probably planned. What did you think tonight?
Well, I think that there's things we'll watch the tape that he can do, but it was I think Utah State's got a tough defense, and he managed the game well. Got us in and out of different protections. You know, we didn't throw the ball a lot with him, but when we did, I thought he's gotten better, and so you know, was encouraged by what I saw from the sideline.
I know Camp came on the trip. Was he close to playing? Was there really ever much of a chance of him?
No, there really wasn't. We were hopeful. As the week went along, it looked more and more doubtful, and then you know, yesterday, you know, we just knew he probably wasn't going to play, but we brought him along and got treatment. Hopefully, he'll bounce back this next week.
How much did you feel like that that fourth down you guys went for it and were stopped? How much do you feel like that changed maybe the course of things?
You know what? With how this game turned out, I don't think it really changed the course of too much. I mean, we got whooped tonight. We got took to the woodshed, and those are just the facts. So I don't really think the fourth down. I think the block punt had a huge impact, but that's something we'll learn from also. Other questions?
Wingard, any initial prognosis on him?
You know, he got the wind knocked out of him.
That was it.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Coach.
Okay, everybody.